All right, so this section is composition of functions, and it is working to find the composition f of g of x, and then working backwards by taking the f of g of x and trying to extract the two functions out. So first, just remember when we used to do f of g of x, so this is f of g of 2. So g of 2 is 3 times 2 minus 5. And then what I'm doing is I'm plugging this in. So this is 6 minus 5, which is 1. So then f of 1 is 2 times 1 squared plus 1. So then I get 3. Okay. F of g of x. So everywhere I see x in my f equation, which I just struck through, I'm going to put in my g equation. So really what I'm looking for is f of 3x minus 5. So then I get 2 times 3x minus 5, the quantity squared, plus 1. Okay, I'm not going to ask you guys to simplify the f of g of x or the g of f of x. I just want you guys to get familiar with what we're doing here. So then 3 times 2x squared plus 1, and then minus 5. That's g of f of x. F of negative 2 is f of 2 times negative 2 squared plus 1. So negative 2 squared is 4, times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So this is f of 9. So 2 times 9 squared plus 1. So that's 81 times 2, which is 162. So then this is 163. Okay. So again, f of g of x. So I want f of 7 over x plus 6. So then this is 1 over 7 over x plus 6 minus 6. And in theory, you can cancel out your 6's and then invert it, but I'm not too worried about it. This is g of 1 over x minus 6. So this is 7 over 1 over x minus 6 plus 6. Again, I just want you guys to see what we're doing, because then when we go backwards, it's a little bit different. Okay. Or it'll be helpful to see it this way. Okay, so f of g of x. So I want f of x plus 1 over, x cubed. So then I want the cube root of x plus 1 over x cubed, because I'm plugging in that entire thing in there. G of f of x, so I want g of cube root of x. So then this is the cube root of x plus 1 over the cube root of x cubed. And then f of g of h of x. Okay, so f of g of h of x, which is x plus 3, gives me f of 1 over x plus 3, because that's my g equation. Take the x plus 3 and plug it in for x. And then I want f of that, so then that is 1 over x plus 3, the quantity squared, plus 1. Okay? And that is it for this section.